Welcome to Help Screen. And if you want to add admin into your Facebook page, first thing is of course open up the Facebook application and just simply go ahead and switch to your page. So in order for you to do that, go for the menu icon on the top right corner. And if you are using an Apple, the menu icon will be at the bottom. Now, moving forward, it will be just the same process between both devices. And now from here, you will just simply select this icon over here to see all of your pages. And now from here, just simply switch to your page. Now, here on your page, you can just simply go ahead and select the menu icon over here on the top right, which is the three lines. Now, here you can just simply go to the gear icon on the top right. And now here, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down a little bit, and you should be able to see here page setup. Now from here, tap on page access over here. And after that, you should be able to see here people with task access. So you could just simply go ahead and tap on add new. And from here, you could just simply tap on next. Now from here, you will have two options. You could either give a Facebook access, which is over here on the top right, or you could give a specific or limited access, which is over here at down below. So in this video, I'm gonna go for the first one, add new, and tap on next. And from here, search by name or username of the Facebook. And from here, just simply search their name and tap on it. And from here, just simply go ahead and scroll down, and you will have an option down below if whether you will give this person a full control access into your page, and tap on a give access once you are done. And from here, just simply provide your Facebook password to proceed. And after that, an email will be sent to this person, and they have 31 days to accept it. And once they have accept it, you should be able to add this person as an admin. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.